Roll number 8, am I audible? Whether screen is visible, Suresh?
Yes, sir. Shubham Bandkar, am I audible? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Audible.
Kanchan 46.
Yes, sir.
So three types of frames we have seen. So which are they? Can anybody tell? Let me know whether I am audible. Which three?
Perfect, deficient, and
Perfect,
redundant.
deficient, and redundant.
Very good. Afterwards, so that relation between member and joints also we have seen now. Okay, so what first one is perfect, deficient, and third one is
Redundant.
redundant. That we have seen. And relation between member and joint is 2j minus 3. So perfect frame, this equation is going to satisfy number of members whatever you use, they are used. These are sufficient to transfer the load without deformation. That's why it is called as perfect. On the other hand, deficient, number of members are less. What will happen in case of deficient? As members used are less, what will happen in deficient? Deformation will happen. And what will happen in redundant? Redundant, to whom we are calling, if number of members are used more than requirement, then it is called as redundant. And what will happen in case of redundant?
Indeterminate.
Indeterminate structure.
Very good. That structure will become indeterminate. Means we cannot identify or we cannot calculate the forces in the structure. It is called as redundant. Same history is given here, whatever we have seen. Assumptions, 4 assumptions we have seen. The ends of members are pin connected or hinge connected. The loads are only at joint. Number 2, self pivot is negligible and we are assuming uniform cross section. Already we have discussed assumptions. Nature of forces, can anybody define or can anybody tell in short how to decide the nature?
Forces acting away from the joint's tensile.
Very good. If the force will act away from the joint, then it will be tensile force we are considering. And if the force will act towards the joint, it will be
Compressive.
compressive. Suppose we have assumed for a particular joint, we have assumed suppose force as a tensile. Okay, for suppose member A, at joint A we have assumed something like this, tensile force. Okay, but after calculation that answer came negative. So what does it indicate? Negative answer what indicate?
We assumed it is wrong.
Very good. We assumed it is wrong. On that day, some students were saying if our answer is positive, it means tensile. If answer is negative, it means compressive. This is not correct logic. Okay, so if our assumptions will go wrong, means answer will go opposite sign. Answer will come opposite sign, or we can say if answer will come negative, our assumptions is incorrect. We have to change our assumptions like this. This is not correct logic. Positive tensile, negative compressive. So this is not correct logic, I will say. This we have seen. Afterwards, there are 3 methods to analyze the truss. 3 methods to analyze the truss. Which are they? So these 3 methods. Okay, which are the method of joint? Means one by one joint we have to consider. So one after another joint we have to consider. Okay, then method of section. Today we are going to see this method of section. Graphical method right now we are not going to study, or it is not in the syllabus. Graphical method. So method of joint and method of section. 2 methods are there. So out of that we have seen method of joint. How it is? What the way we have seen? Just check. So what we are doing? First we are calculating reactions. Afterward, One by one, we are selecting the joint. What care we have to take while selecting joint? What we have discussed?
Number of unknowns, not more
Unknown less than 2.
Not more than how much?
Not more
Two.
than 2.
2, sir.
Should not be more than 2. Okay, then only we will be able to solve the problem. Otherwise, if you will select any joint where there are more than 2 unknowns, it may not be possible to solve. That we have seen. Let us see now today. Method of section. You can give method of section. 2 problems we will solve on method of section. Find the forces. Can anybody read?
Find forces in members BD, CD, and CE of the truss as shown below.
As shown in below. We want to find forces in the member BD, CD, and CE of the truss as shown below. Whatever it is, truss shown below. So how to identify whether to take method of section or method of joint? If it simply it is told, analyze the truss. If the word is there, so what the way it is here? Analyze the truss. Here you can see the problem statement, previous problem. Simply it is told, analyze the truss. Particular member is not told. So in that case, every force you have to calculate. Even we can see here also. Force is not asked in any particular member. For all so each and every force we are supposed to find in method of joint, but in problem statement, if particular force in particular member is asked, if force in particular member is asked, then we have to identify that this problem belongs to method of section. Means section means what? I have told section means
Cut.
section means to cut or to slice. Cut. We are going to cut. Means here we have to cut the object, means we have to draw one line. We have to cut the truss, means we have to draw vertical line or inclined line, whatever it may be. By such members or through such members in which we want to find forces. म्हणजे अशा मेंबर मधून लाईन पास करायची की ज्याच्यामधला फोर्स आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. Before that, as usual, we have to find the reactions. As usual, we have to find the reactions. Okay. So, looking to the truss, which type of supports are used in this truss? Which type of supports are there?
Hinged and roller.
At point A or at joint A, which type of support is there?
Hinged.
Huh? Hinged support. And at point E, which type of support is there? Roller. Okay. So here I will write now. So first we will calculate the reactions. So here there will be RAH equal to here then RAV, whatever we are going to calculate, then RE. This also we are going to calculate. Again, what we want to find? Which forces we want to find? Force in member
BD,
CD, and CE.
force in BD, force in member CD, and force in member
C.
These forces we are going to find. Now first task for method of joint and method of section. In both cases we have to find reactions first. So here finding out the reaction. How many external forces are acting on the this particular truss? How many external forces are acting?
Two, sir.
2 forces. Which are they?
40 kilonewton and
40 kilonewton and
30.
30 kilonewton. Okay, so we can find the forces. So shall I directly resolve these forces at this place only? Here only without drawing diagram. So what will be the vertical component of this 40 kilonewton force?
40 cos 60.
40
Cos
cos or
45.
Sine.
At this stage, if you are going to confuse, it is very difficult. Huh? What will be that vertical component?
Sin
40 sin
झालेलं की आपण
45.
ज्याच्याशी अँगल केलेला आहे त्याचा कॉस घ्यायचा. आता अँगल कुणाशी केला? एक्स शी केलेला आहे म्हणजे वाय शी काय येणार? विच कॉम्पोनंट विल बी देअर? साइन.
sin
Sin
45.
45.
On the other hand, horizontal component. What will be horizontal component? 40
cos 45.
45.
cos 45.
40 cos 45. Similarly here, what will be the vertical component?
30 sin 45.
30 sin 45.
30 sin 45. And here horizontal will be
30 cos
30
30
45.
cos 45.
30 cos
45.
45.
30 cos 45. Okay, and here there will be now directly I will give reactions. Reaction RA. Here there will be RA V.
RAV.
Let us assume towards this side RA H.
H.
Okay, here vertical reaction directly I will give RE. Okay, likewise. Now which formula we should apply to get? What unknowns are there right now? Which are the unknowns? Right now we want to find the reactions only. So how many reactions we want to find?
3.
3 reactions.
So where we will take? Apply
Summation effect.
conditions of
Equilibrium.
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 So first let us apply moment. At what point I should apply the moment?
A.
At point
A.
A equal to 0. Now very carefully, which value you will get by applying the moment at point A? Roll number 3.
RE.
Which value you will get? 3 roll number.
RAH.
Which value?
RE.
RE. So who will tell equation now? For the force 40 cos 45, how will be the moment? Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise, sir.
Clockwise. 40 cos 45. What is the perpendicular distance of 40 cos 45 from point A?
2 meters.
2 meters.
Very good. 2 meter. Next, its vertical component 40 sin 45. How will be moment at point A due to 40 sin 45 force?
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
Again clockwise.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Plus or minus?
Plus.
Plus.
Plus. Again 40 sin 45 into what is perpendicular distance of that force?
2.
2
2
meters.
meters.
2 meter. Very good. Next, which is next force? 30 sin 45. How will be the moment due to 30 sin 45?
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
Again clockwise. 30
Plus
sin 45. Perpendicular distance of that force from point
4 meters.
4 meter.
4 meter. Very good. Next, which force is remained?
30 cos 45.
30 cos 45.
30 cos 45. How will be the moment at point A due to 30 cos 45?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. Very good. 30 cos 45
Into 2.
into 2. Anything is remained? Anything is remained?
RE.
RE.
RE. How will be the moment at point A due to RE
Anti-clockwise.
reaction?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
What will be the perpendicular distance?
4, sir.
Meter.
How much?
4 meters.
4.
4.
4 meter.
4. From this equation, which value you are going to get?
RE.
RE.
Calculate now RE. Calculate the RE.
$38.89.
38.89.
38.89.
9.
Anybody calculated RE value?
38.89.
38.89.
30,
8.89.
89.
38.89
89.
digit by digit you tell
89.
889 kilonewton. Okay. Now here I will not ask whether it is a just a reaction. 38.89 kilonewton. Okay. Now we want to take RAH or RAV. Okay. How we can calculate now? Suppose I want to find RAH. What I can do?
Summation FX.
Summation FX.
Very good. Summation FX. Summation FX. Now we will tell summation FX equal to 0.
RA.
RAH
RAH. Very good. Next.
plus 40 cos 45.
Plus 40 cos 45.
45.
Minus
Minus 30 cos 45.
Minus 30
Cos 45.
cos 45. Equal to
0.
equal to 0. Calculate. From this which value you will get? RAH.
7.07.
Plus
Minus 7.
Minus
Minus 7.07.
Minus 7.07.
07
Yes, sir.
yes,
kilonewton. What minus sign indicate?
left side.
Our assumption is wrong that RAH we have assumed towards right hand side, but actual reaction is coming towards
Left.
left hand side. So here I will write, so afterwards you can give towards left, or here I will write 7.07 kilonewton. Okay. What about RAV?
Summation FY is
Summation
FY.
equal to 0.
summation FY is equal to 0. Who will tell equation?
RAV.
RAV plus
AV.
RE
RAV
Minus
minus
40 sin
40
45.
sin
40 sin 45
Minus 30 sin
minus 30 sin 45
minus 30 sin 45.
plus
Plus
Huh?
R.
Plus RE.
RE.
What is value of RE we found out? 38.89
38.89.
89.
equal to 0. Calculate RAV.
$10.60.
10.60
60.
10.60 kilonewton. So these three reactions as usual, but here you will come to know that actually it is not necessary to calculate, but what is our regular procedure we have calculated? Method of section, in that we are going to see. So RAV it is very simple. Any problem to calculate reactions?
No, sir.
No.
Any problem to calculate reactions?
सर
Ha,
-40 sin 45 ते कसं आलं?
minus
40 sin 45 आणि -30 sin 40.
loudly minus
मायनस साइन कसं आलं सर?
कुठं?
RAV.
minus 40 sin 45 आणि minus sin
हा हा
30 sin त्याचं म्हणताय का?
हो.
This middle one,
येस सर.
that is due to that forces are acting downward side forces.
ओके.
कोण सुरेश विचारताय का?
हा
सुरेश आडनाव काय तुमचं? सुरेश
दळवी.
दळवी. किती लेक्चर आहे तुमचं हे मेकॅनिक्सचं?
करतोय ना सर रोज.
हा,
करतोय सर, विसरलेलो फक्त.
विसरलाय का? आपण जर फोर्स वाय डायरेक्शनला पॉझिटिव्ह वाय ऍक्सिसला असेल तर प्लस म्हणतो, म्हणजे वरती जाणारा फोर्स. मराठीत सांगतो, वरती जाणारा फोर्स वरती म्हणजे प्लस ऍक्सिसला, प्लस वाय ऍक्सिस पॉझिटिव्ह. मायनस वाय ऍक्सिस निगेटिव्ह. आज आपल्या 50व्या ओव्हरची 49वी ओव्हर चालू आहे बरं का. वन डे मॅच मधली शेवटची ओव्हर चालू आहे. नेक्स्ट चॅप्टर विल बी CGMI. त्याला हे बॅकग्राऊंड लागत नाही. एनी प्रॉब्लेम टू कॅल्क्युलेट RAH RAV? हे तुम्हाला मायनस का आलं अजून एकदा सांगतो श्रेय. जर एखादा फोर्स उजवीकडे चाललेला असेल राईट हँड साइडला अलॉंग एक्स ऍक्सिस पॉझिटिव्ह घ्यायचा. जर तो निगेटिव्ह वाईज ऍक्सिस किंवा लेफ्ट हँडला चालला असेल तर निगेटिव्ह घ्यायचा ऍडिशन करताना. जर फोर्स वरती चालला अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन वी हॅव टू टेक पॉझिटिव्ह. and if it is going downward direction along y axis we have to take negative. very very basic. आपण एका महिन्यापूर्वी ह्या गोष्टी शिकलेलो आहोत. You got value of 10.60 kilonewton. Have you got this value or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now after reactions, so I will erase this middle part. After reactions, what we have to do? After reactions, we want to find three forces or forces in the member. Forces in the member. Okay. So which will be that forces? Which
BD,
forces we want?
BD, CD, and CE.
BD, CD, and CE. So we have to draw one cutting plane. We have to draw cutting plane. समजते का तुम्हाला? हेक्सो माहिती तुम्हाला? हेक्सो कर्वत म्हणतो मराठीत किंवा आपण. So we have to cut this trace.
Yes, sir.
ह्या ट्रेसचे आपल्याला we want to cut this trace, and while drawing that cutting plane I will say or cutting line we have to draw maximum through 3 members. Maximum 3 member मधून पास व्हावं. And on the other hand, this is one criteria, maximum 3 members we have to cut. One more thing, the forces which we want to calculate, it should pass through that member only. येते का लक्षात? काय पहिला क्रायटेरिया काय? मॅक्सिमम 3 मेंबर मधून जावं ते, not more than 3 or even less than 3 also. It should pass through more than 3 members, sorry, by through 3 members, and it should pass through such members in which we want to find the forces. की आपल्याला ज्याच्यामध्ये फोर्सेस कॅल्क्युलेट करायचे आहेत त्याच्यामधून ते पास व्हावं. म्हणजे आता कसं मी कटिंग प्लेन करणार? हाऊ टू पास? Vertical. If I will pass cutting plane, means if I will cut this like this vertical, if I will cut the truss, see what the line I am drawing right now, like this. So 2 parts will be there. Let us say I will give name as XX plane. So whether 3 members which we want to calculate the forces, whether that cut force member BD, member CD, member C कट झालेत का? Vertical line काढली मोठं.
Yes, sir.
I have drawn vertical line. Okay. I have drawn vertical line. लक्षात आली का? XX line, whatever line I have drawn. XX line I have drawn. Okay. Now which members cut by this line? कुठली मेंबर कट झाले हो या लाईन मुळे?
BD,
CD and CE. आणि आपल्याला फोर्सेस कुठले पाहिजेत? Which forces we want? This only. Same. Force BD, force CD, force CE. हेच पाहिजेत का?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Once we cut the truss, now we have to consider only required truss. आता आपल्याला रिक्वायर्ड ट्रस आहे तेवढीच फक्त विचारात घ्यायची, ज्याची काय गरज नाही. आयदर दिस ऑर दिस कुठलीही घेऊ शकता. ऍज पर युज्युअल नाव, ऍज पर युज्युअल मेथड तुम्ही एकच भाग कन्सिडर करायचा. तुमच्यासाठी ट्रस आता हाफ झाली. वी आर इंटरेस्टेड इन ओनली हाफ ट्रस, आयदर दिस ऑर दिस. अगेन दिस ऑर दिस, याच्यापैकी कुठलीही एक ट्रस कन्सिडर करायची आणि त्याची काय करायची? एफबीडी ऑफ कटिंग ट्रस. आय विल राईट हिअर FBD of, now we have to draw FBD of cutting truss. FBD of cutting truss. So whatever truss is cut, for that we have to draw FBD. So here there is a point. Which point is there? Here, point D. How much vertical force is there for this? 30 sin 45. How this vertical force is there here? How much it is? 30
30 cos 45.
was 45.
45.
Then here point D is there, point D. Okay, then here vertical line up to this vertical line. Here suppose point E. How much reaction is there at point E? RE, whatever value at point E, RE. Then, so here horizontal, we can say here force now. C, whether we want to find force C,
No, sir.
force in
Yes,
C
sir.
member,
Yes, sir.
we want to find. So let us assume now, how we will assume this for now, that force we have to assume at point D, two forces. So here there is one member and here also horizontal member. So these forces, this much we want to find. So let us assume now, choice is yours, now. How to assume this force? You tell me that we will assume. Force in C,
Tensile.
tensile.
Yes.
Okay, let us assume force in CE, tensile. Force in C, tensile. What will be this member, inclined member? Force
B.
CD. Force CD. How we are going to assume? How should we assume?
Compressive.
Okay, compressive. Let us assume compressive. Force BD, this horizontal force. How we are going to assume?
Compressive.
Again, you want to compressive? Okay, compressive. Let us assume compressive again. Okay. So now, have you understood FBD? So here your question may come in mind. Force D, आपण विचारात घेत नाही, because we don't require force in member D. Vertical member दिसतोय का तुम्हाला DE? In that we are not interested in force in member D. So let it be as it is. Whatever we require, only that we are going to show. So in this FBD, how many unknowns are there? In this FBD,
3.
3.
which are they?
FBD,
FBD, FCD, and FCE.
FBD, FCD, and
CE.
FCE. Now applying the conditions of equilibrium, we can find this. राहिलेल्या ट्रस्टची पूर्ण FBD आपण काढली. जॉइंट मध्ये कसं करत होतो आपण? how we are doing in procedure in a method of joint by joint we were calculating the forces, correct? So here what we have to do? Total FBD I have drawn at a time. मी सगळे राहिलेल्या ट्रस्टची पूर्ण FBD काढली आणि मी इथं फोर्सेस काढणार, that's all. Okay, so applying equations of equilibrium. Okay, so what
Condition.
I want to get, suppose value of FCE. So what I can do? If I will apply summation of moment, at what point I should apply so that I will get FCE?
At point D.
D.
At point D. So if I will apply summation of moment due to all forces at point D equal to 0. So except which forces are passing through point D? So 30 sin
FBD,
45, 30 cos 45. These are passing through point D.
FBD.
Also FB, force in FBD, force in CD. Also it is passing through point D. Okay.
Sir, RE पण pass होते ना?
RE.
RE पण pass होते ना?
RE also passing through point D.
D.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the equation of this FCE force? If at all I am going to write this equation, force in member CE, what will be its perpendicular distance from point E? Distance of D from point E?
2
Huh?
meter.
2 meter.
2 meter.
2 equal to 0. So what will be the value of FCE?
0.
FCE equal to
0.
0.
FCE is equal to 0. FCE is equal to 0. It is called a zero force member. We are going to see how to identify, but it is a zero force member. It is
तर
called as
anti-clockwise घ्यायचं ना?
काय
नाही clockwise.
काय झालं सर? मोठ्याने बोलव, मला आवाज येत नाही आज. 3.
नाही सर, काय नाही.
काय नाही, ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट, नाउ वी वांट टू फाइंड FBD and FCD. Now how to find FBD and FCD? Suppose I will apply now. I want to find FCD. Suppose I will apply summation Fy is equal to 0. Whether force FBD will come? मी जर समेशन Fy अप्लाय केलं तर त्याच्यामध्ये त्या इक्वेशन मध्ये फोर्स इन BD येईल का हॉरिझॉन्टल फोर्स?
नाही.
No, sir.
It will not come. So let us apply summation
FX.
Fx का Fy?
Fy.
Fy.
Fy को जरा आज मोठ्याने बोला बरं का. I don't know why I'm not getting voice. Summation Fy is equal to 0. Who will tell equation?
-30 cos 45.
Minus 30
sin 45.
correct.
Sin 45.
फक्त forces. Next. RE कसा येईल प्लस का मायनस?
Plus RE.
प्लस RE किती व्हॅल्यू RE ची? 38.89.
89.
And what about this force in CD member? What is the angle made by CD member with horizontal?
45 degree.
45 degree.
45. आता हे लक्षात यायला पाहिजे. इथं 2 मीटर आहे, इथं 2 मीटर आहे. म्हणजे ऑटोमॅटिकली this angle will be 45. So that angle is made with horizontal or vertical?
Horizontal.
Horizontal. So we want to take vertical component. So sin or cos?
Sin.
Sin.
अजून कन्फ्युजन आहे. Sin or cos?
Sin.
Sin 45. So in this equation, what is unknown?
FCD.
FCD.
FCD is unknown. Calculate first. What is the value of FCD?
Minus 24.99.
25, sir.
Minus
25, sir. Minus 20.
25.
minus का plus?
Minus.
Minus.
Minus 25 kilonewton. What minus sign indicate? Rule number 38.
Our assumption is wrong.
Our assumption. How we have assumed that force?
Compressive.
Compressive. But our answer came negative. What does it mean by? If the force in CD member is?
Tensile.
Force in CD member is?
Tensile.
Tensile, and its value is how much?
25.
25 kilonewton.
Tensile. It is tensile. It should be tensile, means away from the point. Correct. So here I will write something like this: 25 kilonewton, which is tensile. Like this I will write. Force in CD. Force in CD. Next. Which is next? Now which equation we have to apply summation?
FX.
Fx is equal to 0. Tell me first now. FBD. Whether it will come?
Positive.
Okay, positive. FBD. Next.
Minus 30 cos 45.
Cos 45.
Minus 30.
Cos 45.
5.
Minus 30 cos 45. Next.
Plus FCD.
Plus FCD.
Plus FCD.
Plus
FCD.
FCD we have calculated 25.
25.
Now that actual force is how? The actual member मधला force कसा आहे होतो? Away from the point आहे ना?
Yes, sir.
So either you can consider as a 25 or away from point म्हणलं त्याची साइन कुणीकडे जाईल हो? Negative x axis कडे जाईल का? Actual tensile आहे ना, so it is like this, no?
Yes, sir.
So whether we have to take positive or negative?
Negative.
Now we have to take it as a negative because it is tensile. So here I will. Or same sign, if you want to same sign, take its value. So minus 25, sin or cos?
Cos.
Cos 45. Anything is remained? FC is 0. So if at all you will consider okay, not consider okay, I will consider FC also. It is 0 only. Equal to 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Calculate FBD. FC is 0 only. Calculate FBD.
38.89.
How much?
38.89.
38.89
89.
plus.
Yes, sir. Plus.
Okay. 38.89. Again, how we have assumed it? Compressive.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
it is
sir.
compressive only. So I will write compressive only like this. So it is method of section. Have you understood method of section how it is? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Method of section is very simple. After calculation of reaction, you can pass the cutting plane. You can cut the truss such that it should not pass through more than 3 members, and it should pass through such members for which we want to calculate the forces. Understood? Any problem? Any problem? Roll number 70.
No, sir.
Have you understood? Shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
Such problems are there in this. Nothing else. Very simple. So method of joint is simple or method of section is simple?
Method of joint.
Method of joint. Why? You want to learn the problem? Why it is simple? Let us have a why it is simple. Rule number 3, method of section or method of joint. You can give your views. In method of joint, only one joint we are considering forces. It may be easy to calculate some because there is no question of summation of moment at one point. It may be your answer. Only you have to apply summation fx and fy. That's all. That's why it was easy. Summation method of joint. Why this is difficult? You feel difficult. Anyhow, we have to study, irrespective of difficult or easy. का वाटते? Rule number 3. Section of method का difficult वाटते?
नाही सर डिफिकल्ट नाही वाटत.
वाटत असले तरी सांगा. Let us have a, what we can say views. Let me know. आज कोणीतरी विचारलं होतं की डाउनवर्ड फोर्स निगेटिव्ह का घ्यायचा? I shocked. Like this. As काय at the end of the 3rd chapter, if you are asking this, how it come negative? Shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next problem. Have you noted down? Either take screenshot or you can solve afterwards. Next problem. Who will read for me? Roll number 70. You read.
Determine the forces in member EG, EF, and DF of truss loaded and supported as shown below by method of section. Also identify zero force members, if any.
Also find zero force member, if any. Means in the truss, is there any zero force member? Zero force member means what? As simple as this. The force in member is zero. Which was the force in this truss? Which was zero force member?
सी
Force, sorry, member
मेंबर
CE.
सी
member C is a zero force member. की ज्या member मधला force zero आहे, that's for that we are calling it as a zero force member. Here we have to identify that logic, or we can say one concept is there. I will tell what was that. So how to find, identify zero force member. Okay. So before that, one truss is given, and which forces we want to find?
EG, EF and D.
EG, EF and DF. EG, EF and DF. By which method we want to find?
Method of
Method
section.
Joint or method of section?
Method of section.
Method of section. We want to find method of section. Method of section मध्ये आपण काय करतो? What we are doing in method of section?
Slice the plane.
Huh? We are cutting the truss. Okay. So here now. So here what I will do, let us find. So So which type of supports are used in this?
Hinged and
roller.
Roller.
Hinged and roller. So RAV, then R at point H. So RH, there will be one, what we can say, one reaction. So which forces we want to find? Force in member EG, force in member EG, force in member EF, and force in member DF, force in member DF. These we want to find. So solution. So while finding the reactions, let us find reactions first. Okay, so how many external forces are acting on the this? How many forces are acting?
Three. Three
Forces. Which are they?
3 kilonewton,
3 kilonewton, 6
6
kilonewton, and 3 kilonewton.
So first we want to find reactions. Now without wasting time, I will give reactions here only. Here will be RH. Here will be, how many reactions will be there at point A?
Two. RAV and RAH.
Very good. RAV and
Yes.
RAH. So is there any force horizontal? So looking to this diagram, if I will apply summation Fx is equal to 0, which value I will get?
RAH.
Directly I will
Zero.
get RAH equal to 0.
0.
So I will write 0. Reaction horizontal, reaction is 0 at point A. If I will apply summation Fx is equal to 0, summation
Fy.
Fy, summation Fy is equal to 0. So who will tell equation? RAV, vertical we will take first. RAV plus
Minus.
RAH.
plus RH minus 3
3
minus 6
Minus
Minus
6
6 minus
minus 3.
equal to 0. So what equation I will get? RAV plus
Plus RH.
RH equal to
12.
12.
12. Equation number 1. Summation of moment at point what? Either A or H. So let us take A equal to 0. Okay, so moment due to first 3 kilonewton force which is applied at point C, clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise. What is its distance? So the distance
3.
is given
Yes, sir. 3 meters.
Yes, sir.
here. It is
3 meter.
3 meter. So clockwise 3 into 3. Okay, what about 6 kilonewton force? Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
Again clockwise plus 6 into
4.
7.
how
7.
much?
7.
7. Next 3 into, next 3 into clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
Clockwise 3 into how much?
11.
11.
4 plus 3 11.
Yes.
Minus RH into
14.
14.
Yes, sir.
14 equal to 0. Is it possible to get value of RH? Value of RH?
6.
6.
6.
6.
6 kilonewton?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 6 kilonewton. So from equation 1, what will be the value of RAV?
6.
Again 6 kilonewton. So both these values will come 6 kilonewton, 6 kilonewton. Okay, reactions we found. Now our main aim is to cut the truss. So how I should cut the truss now?
Vertical.
Vertical line, simply I have to draw vertical line passing through which members?
DF and DG.
Huh? Passing through which points?
DF and EG.
DF.
So if I will cut this truss,
Sir, ते
Okay.
कट कसं करायचं ते जरा रिपीट करा.
if I will cut this truss vertically, is it in this way only? X, let us give some name, anything you can give, X, Y, whatever, A. whatever you want to give. This truss we have cut. So remaining free body diagram for cut truss. So here it will come up. Free body diagram for cut truss. So we have to draw. So how it will be? How it will be? So point F is here. Which force is applying at point F?
3
kilonewton.
kilonewton.
3 kilonewton. Okay. That force I will draw little in space. So here I will draw in between. Let us see. So here there is a one force 3. Okay. Then here, how we are going to assume this force? This force we want to calculate force in dF. So how to assume force in dF? Compressive or tensile?
Tensile.
You want tensile? Okay, tensile. Then force in EF means in this. So this point is F. So this force, how we are going to assume? Compressive or tensile?
Compressive.
Compressive. Force in EF. Next member. So this is something like this, no? So here there will be point G. Then here. Okay, this point is, which is this point? H. Here reaction is there. How much it is? 6 kilonewton. Point G, and here there will be one member. Also this force we want to find, force GE we want to find or not? Yes, EG. How we are going to assume at point this G?
Compressive.
Compressive or tensile? Force, whatever it is there, force EF.
Tensile.
EG suppose. How?
Tensile.
How?
Tensile.
Tensile, okay. Tensile like this. So anything is remain, just check F to H. We don't want force in FH and GH. So members we have shown as it is. So here that force is 3 kilonewton. 3 kilonewton. How many unknowns are there in this now? How many
3.
unknowns are there?
3.
3. Same now. Same like now previous problem. So if we will apply summation F, a moment of equal to 0 at point which F, which unknown you will get?
FEG.
FEG. So who will tell this equation? At point F. So 6 kilonewton reaction. What will the moment at point F due to 6 kilonewton reaction which is at H? Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. 6 into what will be its perpendicular distance between line of action of RH and point F?
3 meter.
Very good. 3 meter. Next. What about FEG? Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
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 FEG. FEG. What will be the perpendicular distance between line of action of force FEG and point F?
4 meter.
4 meter.
It is given, no? How much it is?
4 meter.
Equal to 0, which implies FEG equal to 18 divided by 4.
4.5.
4.5.
5.
Yes, sir.
4.5.
4.5
5.
kilonewton. Whether it is coming positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive.
Positive. What does it mean by our assumption is?
Right.
Our assumption is
Correct.
correct. So whatever we have assumed, it is correct. So it is tensile only. Now next now force DF and force EF we want to calculate. Now which equation we will apply? we will apply summation fy is equal to 0. Summation fy is equal to 0. Who will tell equation? 3 kilonewton, whether it will come negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative. Minus
Where is
3.
Suresh? Suresh,
Yes, sir.
3 kilonewton will come positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative, minus 3. What about the 6 kilonewton which is at point H, positive or negative?
6 kilometer pointage.
Huh? 6 kilonewton वरती चाललाय, upward direction, positive or negative?
Positive.
Very good, positive. Then whether df, force df and force eg will come in summation of fy? हे दोन फोर्स येतील का या इक्वेशन मध्ये?
नाही.
येणार नाहीत.
नाही.
EF.
Because these are horizontal, so force ef will come, ef. So how much angle it has made?
45 degree.
eg is 4 and fg or gf is 4. So what will be the angle made by ef member with horizontal? 45. 45. And how the direction we have assumed? Compressive means upward. It is passing towards, so it will come plus ef into, or we can say cos or sin.
Sign.
Sin, sorry, it will become sin. Sin 45 equal to 0. Any forces remain, just check. Which implies force in ef equal to, calculate this.
Minus 4.24.
Minus 4.24.
How much it is?
Minus 4.24.
Minus
4.24.
4 point.
Yes.
Minus 4 point.
24.
24. 24.
Minus sign, what it indicate minus sign?
Our assumption is wrong.
Our assumption is wrong, but how that force is ef? How we
Inside.
have assumed compressive or tensile? Ef
Compressive.
compressive, but it is tensile.
Inside.
There I
Tensile.
will write force ef tensile 4.24 tensile, na? Tensile. The last summation fx is equal to 0. Calculate summation fx. Who will tell equation? Suresh, you tell equation. Summation fx. कोण सांगते? 70 you can tell equation. Summation fx is equal to 0.
Minus FEG.
Minus,
FEG.
correct, huh? Minus feg, huh? df force, whether it will come plus or minus?
Plus.
Plus f df
Minus.
minus, no, it is going left hand side, towards left hand side. Next, now that force ef, actually where it is going? Force ef,
sign.
Ef.
plus or minus?
Plus.
Minus.
Minus.
Plus. Plus.
ef फोर्स कसा आलाय? टेन्साइल, म्हणजे आपल्याला अवे फ्रॉम द पॉइंट दाखवावा लागेल. अवे चाललेला आहे म्हणजे टुवर्ड्स पॉझिटिव्ह एक्स एक्सिस का टुवर्ड्स निगेटिव्ह एक्स एक्सिस?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative x axis. So negative ef whatever its value, the values I don't know, into cos or sin?
Cos.
Cos 45.
Anything is remain equal to 0. याच्यामध्ये अननोन कोण आहे हो आता? Unknown
FDF.
f df. From this calculate FDF. Force FDF equal to. हाँ first calculate how much it is.
Minus 7.49.
7.49.
Minus
7.49.
7.49.
very good, correct. Minus 7.49 means 7.5. So minus sign, what it indicate? Minus sign.
Our assumption is wrong.
So how that force is FDF, tensile or compressive?
Compressive.
Compressive.
It should be compressive. 7.49 compressive. What we assumed the tensile. So now last part from this chapter. Last part. Zero force member. Shall I tell last point? एकच राहिलेला point. आता आपल्याला विचारलं होतं की identify zero force member if any असं विचारलं होतं. So how to identify zero force member? Last 1 minute you should give attention. Huh? Last 1 minute. आहे का सगळ्यांचं लक्ष? Last 1 minute. How to identify zero force member? आहे सगळ्यांचं लक्ष? Shall I tell?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इकडे लक्ष द्या. आता झिरो फोर्स मेंबर म्हणजे काय असतो? वी हॅव टू कन्सिडर वन जॉईंट. असा जॉईंट पकडायचा ट्रस मधला की ज्या ठिकाणी 3 मेंबर एकत्र येतात. देअर शुड बी 3 मेंबर्स विच आर कमिंग ऍट दॅट पॉइंट. असे किती पॉइंट आहेत या ट्रस मध्ये की ज्या ठिकाणी 3 मेंबर एकत्र येतात असे? Or before going to trust now, just I will tell the concept. You can give attention. 3 members out of that, suppose that 3 members at that point, suppose 2 members are collinear. 2 members are collinear. Okay, here suppose A to B and B to C, collinear. And third member, whether it will be perpendicular or it may be suppose inclined. In that case, this third member will have zero force, or it is called as zero force member, provided that what is condition when it will have zero force? When there is no force at that joint. That joint is having no loading. म्हणजे ज्या जॉइंटला लोडिंग नाही, आता मराठीत सांगतो, ज्या पॉइंटला लोडिंग नाही आणि 3 मेंबर एकत्र येतात आणि त्या 3 पैकी 2 जर कोलिनियर असतील, एकाच लाईन मध्ये असतील आणि तिसरा तो परपेंडिक्युलर असो किंवा इन्क्लाइंड असो, त्याच्यामधला फोर्स किती असतो? 0 असतो. दिस इज द कन्सेप्ट ऑफ झिरो फोर्स मेंबर. कोण सांगते आता मला? 38 यू टेल. In Marathi also you can tell, so that I have to conclude lecture. Next teacher is waiting. हा फर्स्ट कधी असतो झिरो एखादा मेंबर मधला फोर्स? कोण सांगतोय? नाही तर मला रिपीट करावं लागेल.
2 लाईन कोलिनियर असतील आणि थर्ड लाईन ही त्याला परपेंडिक्युलर असेल.
परपेंडिक्युलर असेल किंवा इन्क्लाइंड असेल, पण कंडिशन काय आहे? 2 कोलिनियर असतील आणि तिसरा इन्क्लाइंड किंवा परपेंडिक्युलर, पण तो जॉईंट कसा पाहिजे? त्या जॉइंटला लोड असायला पाहिजे का नसायला पाहिजे?
नो सर.
विदाउट लोड पाहिजे.
विदाउट लोड सर.
विदाउट लोड पाहिजे. या जर जॉइंटला लोड असेल तर तो मेंबर झिरो होत नाही. येते का लक्षात? तर काय करायचं? झिरो फोर्स मेंबर म्हणजे आता याच्यामध्ये झिरो फोर्स कुठं कुठं आहेत सांगतो. BC अँड GF और FG हे 2 मेंबर काय आहेत? झिरो फोर्स मेंबर आहेत. आता पॉइंट डी जर कन्सिडर केला तुम्ही, पॉइंट डी 2 मेंबर, इथं बघा पॉइंट डी 2 मेंबर आहेत कोलिनियर. CD आणि DF कोलिनियर आहेत. मग DE मधला फोर्स म्हणजे हा जो काय मेंबर आहे DE, याच्यामधला फोर्स 0 असेल का हो? DE मधला फोर्स 0 असू शकतो का? 3 रोल नंबर असेल का? असेल का नसेल सांग?
नो.
कशामुळे नसेल? बरोबर आहे. का नसेल हो?
लोड आहे तिथे.
त्याच्यावरती लोड आहे. व्हेरी गुड. बिकॉज इट इज लोडेड. पॉइंट डी इज लोडेड. आता जी पॉइंट घ्या. जी पॉइंट जी, यू कॅन ऑब्झर्व हिअर पॉइंट जी वेअर माय कर्सर इज देअर. सो EG अँड GH आर कोलिनियर. किंवा असं म्हणतो मी जी या ठिकाणी किती मेंबर एकत्र आले तो पॉइंट जी ला हाऊ मेनी मेंबर्स केम टुगेदर
3.
3.
out of that whether two are collinear
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
collinear two are collinear means third force will be zero member force. I will say it is a zero member. Force FG or GF is having zero force member or it force in it is zero. Next one point B घ्या B किती मेंबर आहे तो पॉइंट बी च्या ठिकाणी
3.
3.
3 मेंबर्स पॉइंट बी च्या ठिकाणी कुठला लोड अप्लाय केलाय का
नाही.
नाही
नाही.
केला आणि त्याच्यामधले 2 मेंबर कसे आहेत कोलिनियर आहेत ए बी आणि बी आहेत का कोलिनियर
Yes.
एकाच लाईन मध्ये
Yes, sir.
अँड थर्ड वन इज 100% याच्यामधला फोर्स हा 0 येतोय यू कॅन कॅल्क्युलेट आला का लक्षात कन्सेप्ट हा
Yes.
This is
sir.
our
Yes,
end
sir.
of third chapter. This one is our end of third chapter. Next one we are going to start now. More lectures we are going to take. Okay. CGMI we are going to start. Shall we stop? Shall we stop?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We will stop. Take break for a few minutes. Afterwards there will be next lecture. Thank you.